Hi kids, let's read basic sentences about what do you do every day. I wake up early in the morning. I pray and meditate. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I have a breakfast. I go for a morning walk. I read a newspaper. I water the plants. I prepare lunch. I read a book. I take rest for a while. I listen to music. I have a lunch. I take a short nap. I visit friends. I watch TV. I help with household chores. I take evening tea. I play games. I work on my hobbies. I take my dinner. I brush my teeth again. I changed into my night clothes. I turned off the lights and went to sleep.